aglio e olio. Spaghetti aglio olio. Well, I guess I said it right this time. Anyway, either or, I'm gonna deal with the cooking today and I leave the pronouncing to you. So welcome to Let's Cook It, everybody, and today I'm going to make a very quick meal with a few ingredients, and it's a popular pasta dish. So first we need to bring the water to boil. A generous amount of sea salt, it's about 3 tablespoons. And that's the only time we're using a salt, it's in the water to salt the spaghetti. And I'm using here samolina spaghetti, about 8 to 9 minutes. And for this meal, it's all about garlic and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, parsley and chili flakes. So we're gonna slice the garlic first, very thinly slice. So garlic done. Now I'm gonna chop the parsley, and you can see the garlic here, it's very thin slice. And the parsley, of course, it's washed, fine chopped parsley. And I'm using here Italian parsley, or you can call it the flat parsley, not the curly parsley. Now, stove on a medium low, and we're going to infuse the olive oil. You have to use a good extra virgin olive. You have to use a good extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to infuse it with the garlic. About 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna put the garlic right away, and chili flakes. We're cooking the garlic on the low heat, and right before they start turning brown, I'm gonna add the parsley. Spaghetti goes in, little bit of spaghetti starchy water, and we're gonna cook it for a minute or so, just to get everything's blend together. Now, before we start serving, you turn off and you put some breadcrumbs, and breadcrumbs to replace the Parmigiano Reggiano, because this meal originally was created for people who cannot afford the cheese. Add more pasta water if you need to, and a last mix, and ready to go in the plate. Look at all the goodness on top. And now time to dig in. Wow, with a few ingredients, unbelievable how good it is. And maybe I didn't pronounce it right, but for sure I make it right, and I made it the way it's supposed to be. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.